So as you increase the substrate concentration, the rate of reaction will increase. This is what you need to be able to explain, and it can be worth 4 marks in an exam. You need to be able to explain why it increases and then plateaus in terms of enzymes. So we're not increasing the enzyme concentration. As you can see here, I've represented 6 arbitrary enzymes at each part of the substrate concentration increase. However, what is going to increase are the numbers of substrate. So as you can see, I am not increasing the enzyme, but I am increasing the substrate concentration at each point. So there's more substrate concentration now in the 4th column than there was in the 1st. And now there's going to be an excess of substrate concentration at these points. So let's explain what's happening at A, and then let's explain what is happening at B. So at low substrate concentration, under line A, there are free active sites. When I say free active sites, that means that the active sites are empty. There is space to be filled in the enzymes. So what happens is if you increase the substrate concentration, that means that those substrates can bind those free active sites and the rate of reaction will increase until you've got so much substrate in the reaction that all of the active sites are now filled. So now all of the active sites are now filled and there are no empty active sites. So all of the active sites are filled and there are no empty active sites. So no matter how much more substrate you add, there are no free active sites to increase the rate during concentrations B, where the line is flat.
Answer these questions to see if you're following.
Press pause to answer the questions. The answers are going to follow, and if you're stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. If you made any mistakes, go back and watch the video again.